Participation, yes. This, it was a 6-page folder. These were the sites inside. And then we started with the slogans. Almost all the German pirates, the slogans were voted by the German pirates. And this was the first poster, New Ideas for Europe. And then about surveillance, Europe against surveillance. And my data are mine. Oh. So, and incorruptible. And protect whistleblower. And this is the poster for Patrick, our candidate. And now Save the Internet. About upload filters. We also designed billboards, also with the same campaigns. And a lot of banners and headers for social media campaigns or websites. Here are a few examples. And finally, we designed a brochure with the European election program in English, and for Germany, it's a flip issue folder with German text. The English part has 42 pages. It's a really big brochure. And with the German part, it's all about 80 pages. And finally, we created also a couple of T-shirts. Stop Lobbyism, with the datas, my datas are mine. And Save the Internet. For that subject, it's pretty hard to find a visual what stands for all the subject. It's possible to adjust all these motifs and colors and text also from for other European countries if you like to. Then you can contact the Pirate Shop or Petra Stoll. Here's an example from the Czech Pirates, posters I did for the Czech Pirates. And thank you. If you're interested, I can give you the address to the Pirate Shop or Petra. You can contact her if you want to adjust or if you need material. Thank you.